Bullish die cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $4.50 and $9.81 by 2030. Market examiners accept die could reach $4.50 by 2025. Bearish die market cost expectation for 2022 is 80 cents. Die presentation. Die has entered the crypto market as an exceptional and significant token, being one of the first decentralized stablecoins sent off on the creator convention. Assuming you're interested about the cost of die, look no further. In this die cost expectation guide, we've summed up all you want to be aware of the cost of die, from the ongoing cost to most extreme value, die cost today, normal estimate cost, least cost, market cap, and then some. We likewise consider whether die is probably going to be a wise venture for what's to come. Continue to peruse to advance more from our refreshed die cost figure. What is die? Die is a cryptographic money resource sent off as the very first security-supported, decentralized digital currency. Die is not the same as different monetary forms in the crypto market, not at all like resource-upheld monetary standards, which organizations use revenue-driven. Die endeavors to keep a one-to-one worth with the US dollar consistently. It is a result of the producer convention, an open-source, decentralized application working on the Ethereum blockchain. Die can keep up with its worth by utilizing collateralized obligation named an ETH, the local cash of Ethereum. How does die function? Collateralized credits are a way for a bank to utilize resources they own to get an advance. These collateralized credits have an essentially lower financing cost than conventional unstable credits, as moneylenders can seize and sell resources in the event that the borrower can't reimburse their advance. Utilizing shrewd agreements running on the Ethereum blockchain, the creator convention permits borrowers to lock crypto resources like ETH and collateralize them. These resources are, thusly, used to produce new die tokens as credits. To recuperate the locked resource or ETH, they will be expected to pay a charge and return the die to the convention. This model guarantees that die's stockpile can't be modified by any gatherings. A proper stock is kept up with through a complicated arrangement of shrewd agreements, which answer ongoing business sector changes and the costs of concerned resources. Who made die? Die was authoritatively sent off in 2017 on the creator convention made by the producer establishment. The organizer behind creator establishment is Rune Christensen, who fostered the venture, proposing to lay out a credit framework that would empower clients to take out advances. Die was sent off on the convention as a loaning resource stage for organizations and people. Today, the convention is represented by MakerDAO, which took over from the producer establishment. The die token. The MakerDAO network has two local tokens, MKR and die. Die's job as a stablecoin on the organization makes it remarkable from other traditional digital currencies. While customary crypto costs are profoundly unstable, die's worth is connected to that of a government-issued money, for this situation, the US dollar. This means the cost of die ought to remain nearby or be equivalent to $1 consistently. Notwithstanding, this doesn't necessarily in every case occur, and the coin sees cost increments and drops. Be that as it may, when contrasted in other digital forms of money, die's worth is altogether less unstable. This component of die's cost is fundamental to consider while making a die cost expectation. Die specialized examination. Any die cost expectation needs to consider the one-of-a-kind position the die token holds in the crypto market. Like other cryptographic forms of money, it is programmable, orderless, and simple to move. However, what separates die is its steady cost. Numerous financial backers have shown strong fascination with purchasing die on the grounds that it offers straightforwardness and proficiency like other digital currencies, however dodges the cost unpredictability, an innate gamble factor. As a stablecoin, die is an important token for making a safe venture and staying away from high instability periods that storm the open crypto market. Regarding whether or not die cost will go up from here on out, there is nobody right response. The coin's cost can and shifts, however its main role is a store of significant worth, and that implies that preferably, die's cost shouldn't change a lot. MakerDAO effectively attempts to keep a one-to-one worth of die with the US dollar, which makes both downfall and development a poorly conceived notion for the coin. Be that as it may, die's cost could in any case vary, and you ought to painstakingly think about the market feeling and do your own examination prior to pursuing a purchasing choice. Die current cost. Die is as of now worth $1 USD. Die has moved 0.06% as of now with an exchanging volume of $357,604,574. Die is as of now position 13 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $6,262,894,784 USD. Die value expectation 2022. Die, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year. The die cost conjecture for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to $1.50. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be steady, yet no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $1.40 in cost is very aggressive. However, it is attainable sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. DAI is supposed to have a base worth of $1.20. DAI value expectation 2023. In 2023, DAI cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of DAI will before long outperform $2.50. Nonetheless, we ought to hold on to check whether the DAI's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, DAI will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $2 and a typical exchanging cost of $2.20. DAI value forecast 2024. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $3.50 and DAI might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. DAI is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $3.20 and a low of $3 in 2024. DAI value expectation 2025. Assuming DAI effectively helps market opinion among digital currency devotees, the DAI coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, DAI will be green in 2025. The DAI is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $4.50, with a base cost of $4 and a typical cost of $4.20. DAI value expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the DAI cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $5.20 by 2026, with a base cost of $5 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, DAI has a greatest value worth of $5.50. DAI value forecast 2027, because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027. We are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $6.20. On the off chance that DAI figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of $6.50. Neglecting to assemble the help DAI needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $6. DAI value forecast 2028. While DAI is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $7 and a yearly cost close above $7.51 in 2028. DAI value expectation 2029. By 2029, DAI will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $8.01 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $8.51, averaging out at $8.21. DAI value expectation 2030. The cryptographic money market is known to be exceptionally unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determination